See that drip? It might be costing you thousands in engine repairs. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why your car might be guzzling coolant like a thirsty camel and, more importantly, how to fix it before it destroys your engine. What's up, gearheads? Before we dive in, if you want to save money on car repairs and become your own mechanic, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss our weekly car repair tips. Warning signs. First, let's talk about how to know if your car has a coolant problem. You know that sweet, syrupy smell around your engine? That's not your car trying to make perfume, it's crying for help. Here are the red flags you need to watch for. Your temperature gauge doing the hot dance. White smoke doing a magic show from your exhaust. That annoying low coolant light refusing to go away. Quick pause. If you've experienced any of these symptoms, drop a wrench in the comments below. And while you're there, give this video a thumbs up if it's helping you out. Common causes. Now, let's get into the meat of the problem. There are two types of leaks that could be draining your coolant faster than your wallet at a parts store. External leaks are like your car leaving breadcrumbs, you can actually see them. Radiator cracks. Loose hoses. Worn out water pump. But internal leaks? They're the ninjas of the car world. Silent but deadly. Blown head gasket. Cracked cylinder head. Failed internal seals. When to stop driving. Listen up, because this part could save your engine and your bank account. If you see steam coming from your hood or your temperature gauge is redlining, stop. Right. Now, don't pass go. Don't collect $200. Just pull over safely and shut it down. Cost breakdown. Now, let's talk money. Because fixing this early could be the difference between a $30 hose and a $2,000 head gasket repair. DIY heroes, here's what you might spend. New hoses, $20 to $50. Radiator cap, $10 to $30. Basic flush, $30 to $60. Prevention tips. Here's how to prevent this nightmare from happening in the first place. Monthly coolant checks. Takes 2 minutes. Use the right coolant. No, they're not all the same. Fix small leaks before they become big problems. Conclusion. There you have it, folks. The mystery of the disappearing coolant solved. Remember, a little prevention today saves a ton of money tomorrow. Don't forget to demolish that like button, subscribe for more car repair tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Drop a comment below if you've ever dealt with coolant issues